Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to assign a fiscal calendar to a subsidiary in NetSuite. If you haven't yet, make sure you activate the multiple calendars features I explained how to in a different video. Also, don't forget to visit colneno.com for more tools and information to enhance your accounting processes. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to navigate to the subsidiary. So for that we will use the main menu. And we will go to Setup, Company, and we're looking for Classification Subsidiaries. Classifications and Subsidiaries, so I click on it. So now we have a bunch of subsidiaries, so I can choose one and click on it to edit it. And now on the right hand side you can see the Fiscal Calendar field, which you can select. Obviously here I have only one for this demo, but you get the idea. If you find this video helpful, please like it. Make sure to save the subsidiary change, very important. I'd love to have you subscribe to this channel for more tutorials, and see you in the next one.